How to go offline on Spotify. To get started, first of all, open up the Spotify application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Explore page on Spotify. On this page, tap on your profile on the top left corner, then select Settings and Privacy from here. Once you're here on the Settings page, look for the option that says Playback and tap on it. And after getting to the Playback section, enable the offline option at the top. And as you can see, it is currently disabled. Just tap on this icon on the right to enable it. In this option, when you go offline, you will only be able to listen to the music that you have downloaded. Now, after enabling it, you can play and listen to the music that you've downloaded on Spotify even when you're offline and out of network. Following these steps, you can easily go offline on Spotify.